Hey guys, let's cook some laksa. The first time I had laksa was at Spiral, and for some of you who have been there or who has been there, you would know that dining at Spiral is quite expensive. So when I tasted it, I was really looking for a place that could offer the same taste. And even when I went to Singapore a few months after, I still could not have the taste of the laksa that I was craving for, the one that I had in Spiral, which is why I tried over and over to recreate the recipe. So I'm not saying this is anywhere near that, but this tastes just as hearty and flavorful. So I've already tried this recipe with chicken, but using seafood is so much better because seafood has, I think, a more complex taste to it. And you can also combine different kinds of seafood like shrimp and um, pusit or squid. You could also put clams and well, I haven't tried it with oyster, probably not, but other seafood that you could get your hands on. So for this recipe, I pre-cook the seafood, and then I remove them from the heat. After that, I set them aside. So once they're well, not thoroughly cooked because we don't want them to be overcooked because we're gonna put them back into the soup. So after they're sort of seared, I remove them from the heat, and then that is when I cook the aromatics. I usually use olive oil, but I also sometimes use butter because I think it also adds to the taste of the food. I'm not sure if you agree with me, but that's how I cook. So as you can see, I always add pepper to every ingredient that I put in the pan. Obviously, I put a lot of garlic. I actually used 2 heads of garlic for this one just because we really love the taste of garlic. I also added ginger because this one will, well, I will not say remove completely, but your food will not taste as fishy or ano ba nila, malansa. Okay? So for this one, for me to have the taste of the laksa, I use red curry paste. So just saute your red curry paste into your aromatics and make sure that it is covered or every all the ingredients are covered in the red curry paste. You want to disperse the flavor of the red curry paste into your aromatics. Afterwards, I'm gonna put coconut milk or gata. If you want to use pure coconut milk in your soup, you can do that. But as for me, I will put at least 2 cups of water and then let it simmer. Okay. When I let it simmer, I will put my tanglad. Tanglad here is a very important ingredient. It will add depth to your soup. Okay. It will also diminish the taste of lansa to your dish. Okay, once that's ready, I will remove the tanglad. As you can see here in the video, the tanglad is gone. And then, if the taste is up to my standard or the taste that I'm looking for, then that is when I will put the seafood back in. Then add some chili, not too much if you don't want spicy food. And then some leafy things. Okay? The laksa that I've tasted before used spaghetti noodles, but for this one, I will use the egg noodles, which I feel tastes so much better. And that's it. Remove from the heat and enjoy. Thank you for watching.